Heather West. Heather West. This is me, Joe. I know it's been months and I should have already sent you an email. You can't even call me. I don't have a phone number anymore. I'm sitting here at a gazebo, an octagon gazebo with number 8 represented and that cool shape up there. Second gazebo I've been to today. First one. Pictured my wife waiting for me right there. I hooked up my hammock and I sat and I looked at it. This is the perfect shape to express and be a focal point to expand whatever goodness is coming out of us right now at this moment. With the eternal number, infinite number of number 8, predominantly displayed by the octagon shape you see. Now, you are Mrs. West. You are the West when I think of the West. And there's this north, south, east, west alignment ceremony things that need to be observed. It's history from the north, coming with the North Wall clock that started like 4 years ago, as I wrote in my books and had to write triangles, circles, and squares. Sacred geometry at its beginning for me and us, with the North Wall clock centered there, hoping that others would have a North Wall clock. Know exactly when I look at it. They just wrote a triangle. Ain't you supposed to look at the clock every time you write a shape? Which one? Because it's really look at each and every time. Triangle connects. Squares are actions. And circles are cycles. And since you got a North Wall clock and I know you're going to look at it, I'm also going to look at it and incorporate enhancement any way I can, Joe. Set people everywhere 4 years ago or so. So when you think of the North, think of this history of sacred geometry and all this information that was input back in these days. So coming from the North and going to you, Mr. West, I was going to just take 2 photographs, but if it came from the North to the West, to you, Miss West, hopefully, an email. Please let it help you in some way, man. I lady of the compass. Very lot of details. My hawk lady with your call the other day that said, Joe, you made the correct decision and I'm here watching and love you. Thank you, my dear. Great way to show. Love you, Mrs. West. Finally get a new phone, I'm gonna figure out how to send you an email whether it kills me. Or I have to procure a Geek Squad chick or someone to help. Look at how it looks like it's a head on top of my head. Whoa. Joe, are you doing something powerful with your phone there? The officer says as he pulls up. Or her, maybe it's one of the chick cops that like him. Yep. Well, I approached some officers one day. And I said, officers, the universe is demanding that I climb up somewhere high. I want to be a good example and do it in abidance of the law. Perhaps get permission. Like this building next to here at Gas and Wash. And I said, like this 6-story tall or so building. I seen the chink in the chain. You just pull this right here. This link pulls out, and that weight goes down, and down goes the stairway. Very simple. Yes. But I need permission. I know you see, and I know I don't have camouflage. Plus, I'm supposed to be a good example. Plus, the permission is granted, and even parameters could be put in place. Possibly a commercial for the owner of this building, which happens to be the Gas and Wash owners also. The female officers kept saying, Joe, just go to the water towers. Go up to the water towers and climb up there. Do what you're going to do. You're going to make some art, all kinds of things, videos from the King Keys bird's nest. Top of the freaking world, people. Made it, we've arrived. Finally listened to the universe and found our high ground. This is a spot to create from for a good period of time. Perhaps watch the suns rise, the sunset. We found our high grounds. Joel hates flatlands, and being back here in Illinois is terrible, detrimental to him, in fact. Cornfields, I hate. Unless your children's corn movie or something like that, it's really terrible. Or summoning the aliens that used to make crop circles, which I've seen a documentary about. The Palladians, they're real. They took over our media in 1978. Announced themselves as galactic defenders and all this stuff, and blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. There was a man that was able to project geometric patterns to them. Next day on the news, lo and behold, his crop circle was manifested. Wait, did you just say this guy did this by himself? Didn't even have the amazing, awesome power that we have as a combined force, power in numbers, all telepathic, super intelligent celestial beings, in my opinion, already. You need to rewatch this documentary, huh? Perhaps with you now. Let's see. Yes, yes. So I'm gonna sit here with just like a hat on my head and allow it to do its thing. Octagon, infinite number, cathedral, forward, funneling, concentrating, and broadcasting energies. Please utilize this ability to the best of your technician skills. Can do. Everyone else help me, please. Whoa, 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 whoa. And Joel Messer Jr. out.